There are a few fruits or vegetables or few food items which are not recommended during cold, cough and fever. What are they and is it a myth? Well, those items are curd, oranges, apple, banana, watermelon, tender coconut, and there may be a few more in the list, right? So is it a myth? So there is no scientific data, evidence or any proof to prove that these items cause cold, cough or phlegm, right? It's called as magical thinking. Way back many years ago, they used to believe that ripe banana looks like mucus, so it can produce phlegm. Curd and banana mixed together looks like thick phlegm, so it can cause that kind of bulgum, right? So in fact, curd is a good source of probiotic, good for your gut. Oranges are it's a citrus fruit, rich source of antioxidants and minerals, good for your skin. It is a very good source of minerals and antioxidants, again boosts immunity. And banana is a rich source of potassium and carbohydrates, good for again gut immunity. It is a wonderful nourishment, especially in summer. Tender coconut has got amazing minerals and sodium and other micronutrients. It keeps you stay hydrated, right? Especially during loose motions, you can offer it to your children. So all these have great nourishment, all these provide great nutrition and energy. So don't deprive your children of these things, especially refrigerated items you must avoid. Naturally available must not be avoided. So as of now, let me enjoy my tender coconut. So you go home and enjoy yours.